Discover & Go provides free and discounted passes to over 100 institutions. It's a convenient self-serve program where you can reserve and print your passes online. Look for the Discover & Go login page on your local participating library's website, or ask library staff for help. You can also find the login information at discoverandgo.org. Log in with the same information you used to access your library account, starting with your card number. If you know when you want to go, click on a date. Attractions with available passes for that date are listed. You can also see an alphabetical list of all attractions or search for a specific attraction. You can find out more about an attraction by clicking on its description, hours, and accessibility links. Once you decide on a venue date, click on the green Reserve button. Remember that once you press the Print Download button to retrieve your pass, you cannot cancel the reservation. We recommend not printing the pass until you are sure you will be going on that date. After making a reservation, you receive confirmation by email. Under My Reservations, you can view or print passes. There are a few points to remember about using Discover & Go. You must meet your library's minimum age requirement and live within your library's service area. You can have up to 2 active reservations at a time. You can make reservations up to 3 months in advance. Reservations can only be canceled if the admission pass has not been printed. The pass is for use only by the person named and only on the date specified. No photocopies are allowed. Valid ID is required. Have fun and enjoy Discover & Go.